Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. More in the Vybz Kartel appeal trial. While making his case before the appeal court yesterday, Robert Fletcher, the attorney for Kahira Jones, argued that retired High Court Judge Justice Lennox Campbell's decision to allow contaminated exhibits to be included in the Vybz Kartel murder trial was damaging to the entertainer and his three co-accused. Among the contaminated exhibits used as evidence were the messages and a video recording lifted from the entertainer's mobile phone. Fletcher indicated that he was still trying to understand Campbell's decision to admit the contaminated telephonic exhibit into evidence, then asked the jurors to determine if it was contaminated. His assertion came after Nita Robertson, Kartel's lead attorney, pointed to evidence presented during the trial that the dancehall artist was being treated at Andrews Memorial Hospital in St. Andrew at 7:48 p.m. on the day Clive Lizard Williams was killed at a house in Havendale, also in St. Andrew. According to Nita Robertson, this challenges the accuracy of cell tower information produced by police experts. Inspector Warren Williams, who leads the police cybercrimes division, testified that the cell tower information showed that Kartel's mobile phone was operating in Havendale at 7:52 p.m. Nita Robertson also cited the testimony of the main prosecution witness that he arrived at the house at 8 p.m. and after the events he witnessed there, he took Kartel to the hospital close to 9 p.m. Wrapping up her submissions yesterday, Nita Robertson told the appeal court that the evidence that Kartel was at Andrews at 7:48 would mean that he would not be able to be at the house when Lizard's death happened. The prosecution will respond to the submissions tomorrow. Despite being booked international recording artist, Stefflon Don did not perform at Reggae Sumfest Blitz All Black Party held yesterday at Hard Rock Cafe. In a surprising turn of events, the artist's management team cancelled her performance at last minute, citing scheduling conflict. In response, Down Sound Entertainment CEO Joe Bogdanovich expressed disappointment with Stefflon Don's management team's untimely communication. Despite the Hurting Me rapper not being in attendance, the event was a huge success, as patrons were out in their numbers enjoying entertainment from popular rapper and reality TV star Safari, who is also host of the event. The full lineup of entertainment included music from Creep Chromatic, Rolex, Noah Power, and Team Sheller. Popular Jamaican singer Jada Kingdom also graced the Blitz stage, performing her tracks Best You Ever Had, Unwanted, Love Situations, and Hold On. More musical greatness as the 20th anniversary of Irish and Chin's World Clash will be in effect tonight at Pier 1. Veteran dancehall sound system selector Rory Stonelove has been credited for his work on Jay-Z and Beyoncé's new collaborative album Love Is Everything. The album was released last month exclusively on Tidal. According to Rory Stonelove, he got the request to work on the dancehall ballad Summer via a text message but could not say anything about the time because it was top secret. Rory is among the most senior sound system selectors in the business, having been a DJ since 1983, starting with his own sound system called Champagne before joining the most iconic sound system in dancehall history, Stonelove, in 1984. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.